Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose building type on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings icon under the vehicle button. Here go to the fourth section that maps you and units, and here you can find the first section, the map you, and go to the second button, the buildings type, and you can select through option the show 3D building or the 3D building disabled, and just select one, for example the second, and you can't see the buildings type. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.